Are you struggling to manage your household budget? Feeling like your money disappears before the month even ends? Well, you're not alone. But don't worry. Today, on Everyday Budgeting, we're breaking down the best strategies to take control of your family finances, cut unnecessary expenses, and save for the future without sacrificing the things you love. Why budgeting is crucial for families. Budgeting isn't just about cutting costs. It's about financial freedom and security. Without a clear budget, it's easy to overspend, accumulate debt, or struggle with unexpected expenses. A solid budget allows families to track income and expenses effectively, save for future goals like buying a house or funding education, handle unexpected emergencies without financial panic, reduce financial stress and conflicts within the family. Now, let's break down a step-by-step guide on how to create and manage a family budget efficiently. Step 1. Calculate your total household income. The first step in budgeting is understanding how much money is coming into your household each month. This includes salaries and wages from all working members of the family, side hustles or freelance income, government benefits or tax credits, investments, rental income, or any other sources. Once you have a clear picture of your total monthly income, you can move forward with planning your expenses. Step 2. Track and categorize your expenses. Families spend money on various essentials and non-essentials. Categorizing expenses helps identify where your money is going and where you can cut back. Fixed expenses, necessities. These are unavoidable expenses that remain relatively constant. Mortgage or rent, utility bills, electricity, water, internet, etc. Groceries, insurance, health, car, home. Childcare or education expenses. Loan or credit card payments, variable expenses, adjustable spending. These expenses fluctuate each month and provide areas for potential savings. Entertainment, movies, dining out, streaming services, shopping, clothing, electronics, gifts, travel and vacations, subscriptions and memberships, savings and investments. A budget should always allocate money for emergency funds, 3 to 6 months of expenses, retirement savings, 401k, IRA, college funds for children, general savings for future goals. To track expenses effectively, use budgeting apps to automate spending analysis and get insights. Step 3. Set a realistic monthly budget. Once you know your income and expenses, it's time to create a realistic budget. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple guideline. 50% on needs, rent, utilities, food, transportation. 30% on wants, entertainment, hobbies, travel. 20% on savings and debt repayment. Adjust these percentages based on your family's financial situation. If you're saving for a house or paying off debt, you might allocate more to savings and less to discretionary spending. Step 4. Cut unnecessary expenses and save more. If you're spending more than you earn or want to save extra money, consider these cost-cutting tips. Meal planning and cooking at home. Save hundreds per month by reducing dining out. Cancel unused subscriptions, streaming services, gym memberships, or magazines that are rarely used. Buy generic brands. Many store-brand groceries and household products are just as good as name brands. Use public transportation or carpool. Reduce gas and maintenance costs. Shop smart. Look for discounts, coupons, and cashback deals. Adjust utility usage. Turn off lights, unplug devices, and use energy-efficient appliances. By making small changes in everyday spending, families can save thousands of dollars annually. Step 5. Plan for irregular or unexpected expenses. Many families struggle with budgeting because of unexpected costs like medical bills, car repairs, or home maintenance. Here's how to prepare. Emergency fund. Keep 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in an easily accessible account. Sinking funds. Set aside money for predictable expenses like holidays, school fees, or car maintenance. Insurance coverage. Ensure you have adequate health, auto, and home insurance to avoid unexpected financial burdens. Step 6. Involve the whole family in budgeting. Budgeting should be a family effort. When everyone understands financial goals, it's easier to stick to a plan. Teach kids about money. Encourage saving, budgeting, and responsible spending from an early age. Hold monthly budget meetings. Review expenses, savings progress, and upcoming financial needs together. Set family financial goals. Whether it's a vacation, home renovation, or new car, working towards a goal keeps everyone motivated. Step 7. Increase your income if needed. If cutting expenses isn't enough, consider increasing your income. Some options include starting a side hustle, freelancing, selling crafts, tutoring, etc., asking for a raise or finding a higher-paying job, renting out a room or property, monetizing a hobby, photography, blogging, YouTube, etc. A small boost in income can make a big difference in financial stability. Step 8. Review and adjust your budget regularly. A budget isn't set in stone. It needs adjustments based on life changes. Reevaluate your budget every few months or after major changes like a job loss, new baby, or increase in expenses. If you're consistently overspending in one area, adjust your allocations. If you're saving more than expected, redirect extra funds into investments or debt repayment. Keep track of progress to stay motivated. Final thoughts. Smart budgeting leads to financial freedom. A well-managed household budget allows families to live comfortably while securing a better future. By tracking income, cutting unnecessary expenses, saving strategically, and planning ahead, you can reduce stress, avoid debt, and achieve financial peace of mind. Start your budget today and take control of your family's financial future. And that's it, folks. Budgeting doesn't have to be overwhelming. It's all about making small, smart changes that add up to big savings over time. Now it's your turn. What's the biggest budgeting challenge your family faces? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Everyday Budgeting for more practical money tips. See you in the next video.